Hello and welcome. I am Jonathan Pritchard, and this is a little segment I want to call Behind the Curtain. I figure I wanted to just share interesting ideas, tools, tricks, just stuff I find interesting in my search for being a better presenter and person who appears in front of audiences for a living. So today I want to talk to you about the shirt I'm wearing, which is a great find. It's Cheeg's weird name, awesome shirt, because as a person who appears in front of audiences for a living, I want to be distinctive without being distracting. I don't want a hokey costume or a suit that is going to keep people focused on the suit of why in the world is he wearing that? Instead, I want what I wear to be recognizable as, boy, this guy takes care of every detail, and that's interesting. I've never seen anybody wear that. So, this is my new favorite show shirt, whether I'm on the trade show floor or doing a keynote or doing sales training. This is now my new go-to shirt to wear with a tux for black tie affairs. I wore this shirt specifically because I've got white and black of exactly this cut. I've worn this emceeing a fundraiser. I've worn this on the trade show floor because the marketing materials claim that it's a space age fabric and it's the best thing you've ever seen. And turns out it's actually true because I tend to get really hot when I'm on stage, just get super excited. And then you can see that I get very red in the face and it just cuts off right there. So a lot of people go, "Are you okay? Are you having an allergic reaction?" So this shirt helps me stay cool because it dries really fast. And I didn't understand just how fast until the first time I washed it, hung it up to dry, and then less than an hour later, it was completely dry. It was totally ready to wear. So, if you were doing that backpacking thing through Europe or whatever where you wanted to just have two shirts and wash the one that you wore today, this would be a great shirt to do because it would dry super fast. The benefit to being a speaker is if you are really warm while you're doing your presentation, then you go out back to sign autographs and meet your audience. You don't want a shirt that's just clinging to you and staying wet like cotton does. So this fabric is fantastic. It also doesn't hold on to wrinkles, so you can steam it or put it on a little before you need to be visible, and it pretty much takes care of itself. So yeah, in terms of the fit, the styling, I love it. It's perfect. And in terms of the fabric and the wear and the experience of being on stage and off stage, it is fantastic. And oh yeah, um, I almost forgot to mention that the last trade show I worked, I had a coffee cup that didn't know how to hold on to its coffee, and it dribbled coffee on me, and it just beaded right up. It barely held on to a little bit of coffee. I used a napkin to dab. You never scrub, always dab, and then one wash and it's completely gone. So it's stain resistant and actually is. I gave it the coffee test. So for all those reasons, that's why this is my new show shirt. I even had promo photos taken wearing this white shirt and black shirt in my tux jacket and my shiny blue shirt. And yeah, I just love it so much that I wanted to tell the world about it. And that's why I had this segment. So that's it. I'm Jonathan Pritchard. This has been Behind the Curtain for me talking about Cheeg's shirts. I'll put a link to their website below, and that way you can find what fits you. All right, that's it. See you next time.